Welcome back to Align and Thrive with Neha Lodha. Today's episode asks a different kind of question. You might have a business coach, a marketing coach, a strategy expert, but do you have a self alignment coach? Because success isn't just about growing your revenue, it's about growing yourself. Neha, I love how you always say you can scale your strategy, but if you don't scale your soul, you'll still feel stuck. Let's dive into this.
So, yes, and I want to start by saying that business coaches are wonderful. They help you with the systems, visibility, sales, marketing, structure. They help you think bigger externally. But here is something a missing piece. If your inner world is still foggy, your energy still keeps on leaking, your decisions are wobble, and your confidence just cracks silently, then you need to. And then you start doubting yourself even when you are doing something right. Strategy grows the business, alignment goes an entrepreneur. And without both, you either burn out, you hit the invisible ceiling again and again. That's what the truth is.
So many people think they need another business course or marketing strategy. But often that's not the real gap, right?
Exactly, that's what. It's not more funnels, more workshops, more followers, but it's more getting clarity inside, more emotional resilience, more connection to why you want to do that, more energetic alignment, and when you are aligned to your purpose. Because if internally you are unclear, afraid, and still not aware of what you want to do, no strategy, however brilliant you are, will really land you at a right place.
What are the signs where probably alignment is needed?
So here are something that I want to tell you as a self-alignment coach. You are achieving but you are not celebrating. You are growing but feeling more disconnected. You are doing everything right but intuition feels numb. You are attracting opportunities but self-sabotaging or just second-guessing. This doesn't mean you are broken. It just means your soul needs something more.
Can you give us a quick self-check practice?
Yeah, that is really very important. So here is something very, very simple. You can start it from even today itself. So think of a one goal you are working towards and ask yourself, is this goal truly mine or just been taken by somebody else or just a reaction to outside world? Does working towards this goal really feels you expansive or exhausting? I am building a life I want to wake up to, or just a life which looks impressive as an Instagram world. So if your answers feels heavy, misaligned, confusing, it's time to realign because your energy is a foundation of whatever you create in your life. Energy comes first and then strategy will really follow.
That's really nice to know what energy means.
So imagine two trees, both have a same soil. One is really growing tall but weak inside. It bends with every wind that is coming in. And the other is shorter one right now but rooted so deeply and so strongly, whatever storm comes, it even not getting shaken by that storm. That's the difference between strategy only growth and a soul aligned growth. So you don't just have to feel that high depth, but you always have to focus on how much your roots are being strong, fixed, and aligned.
Neha, this conversation feels like an emotional reset.
So if you are listening and thinking, I have a mentors, I have courses, but I still feel something is missing, maybe what's missing is you. And that's what we work on inside all the mental health programs. So it's not about adding more to your plate, but it's about realigning what's already inside you. So whenever you get that answer to why, it is always said, more bigger is your why, more it is easier to achieve things. So whenever you are clear about why you want to do this, the purpose is clear, and when that fuel is very clear, the roots are very clear, the tree is, despite it is small or tall, but it will stay despite of any storms coming in your way. It is very important to have a strong roots and not the tree looking tall but very, very weak from inside.
To everyone watching, remember, strategy is important. but soul is non-negotiable. If you want to build something that lasts, build it from the inside out. Comment below what's one area where you're thinking you need more alignment, not just more action. We will see you next time on Align and Thrive with Neha Lodha. Until then, stay rooted, stay here, and stay alive.